Just a quick video to let you know that cherry is in season here in Jamaica. Look at all of that, all that waste. But you know, when I was smaller, I would still eat them from the ground. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Let me know in the comment section if I'm the only one. As you can see, I only got a few as I'm leaving some for someone else. Don't want to overdo it. Let me know in the comment section if you like cherries. Yes, my people, some real Jamaican cherries. As you can see, some of them are too far away, but luckily I was able to pick some closer that were closer. Some of them are too far away. Luckily I was able to pick some that were closer.